Today we will discuss how to make radial paper chromatography. First of all, we need to take one radial shape paper onto which we put two drops. One is of blue colored ink and one is of red color. For the better understanding, we take ink, otherwise you can take any chemical or any biological fluid sample. After that, we need to put in the development chamber. You can start with the chloroform methanol 8:2 ratio, or you can switch it also by using different solvent. After that, you need to dry it. You can see, as we haven't used the wick, instead of that we just put it in the beaker only. That's why there is a no uniformity of the result. For the better result, we need to put it in the beaker with the help of any wick or any capillary type shape. After that, if the spots do not appear in any like if you take any amino acid sample, you need to put ninhydrin spray. Fine, thank you. You can use iodine chamber along with that universal visualizer. That is also classical example to visualize the spots.